That was third surprise for me. It'll be me.
Okay, so everyone, I came to beach today and then typhoon is going out. It's wonderful weather. Don't look it. I was planning to rental some bodyboard. He tried to come to get the money to the car and then he found it got tired. And so I'm changing now. So you are lucky because you have me.
Well, I would have found out how. I knew the basics, I just didn't do it.
But I just have a lot of experience with exchange from the 12 or 11 years old, thanks to my grandma and my mom. It's basic, right? It's basic.
You know.
Okay, now done. I call my mom.
Darling, thank you for all of this trip. I enjoyed so much and I enjoy editing too. We had so many troubles and fun at the same time. I will never forget the happiness moments. So thank you again. Next our travel will be in Switzerland and I cannot wait that. I will pack my things as soon as possible and go to see you soon. So now enjoy remembering our smile through these videos. Love you.
Go on now. Be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life, go on now. Chase your dreams, everything, go on now. Be good.
The Airbnb we stayed was so amazing place. But if you don't like spiders, I don't recommend.